Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to put a spooky Halloween border in Microsoft Word. For this you need to click on the design tab on the top ribbon, and on the right side you need to click on the page borders and click on the page border tab and click on the box. And now you have to search the Halloween border in the art section. You need to click on this arrow and search it. And here it is. And now head to the apply section and click on that. If you want to apply this to the whole document, click on that. And if you want to apply this for a particular section, you need to select this option. And if you want to apply to the first page, you need to click on this option. And I'll be selecting the whole document. And now click on option. And here you can see that the margins, you can adjust the margin from here, from top and left, right and bottom. I have selected 20 pt and now click OK and click OK to proceed, and here it is. You can easily see that the Halloween border is inserted in Word document, and when you create another page, this will be automatically insert to the another page. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.